Sirius Deluxe Hotel promises a stylish and comfortable stay in Alanya. Let's take a look. This 5-star resort is all about modern elegance, with luxurious rooms and breathtaking seaside views. The hotel offers a range of dining options, including fresh Mediterranean cuisine and international dishes. Guests can enjoy a variety of activities, from poolside relaxation to evening entertainment and water sports. People love the sleek design and excellent service, though some find the nightlife options a bit limited. Is Sirius Deluxe your next destination? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more travel videos.